In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your project in Replit for 2025, step by step. Whether you're new to Replit or just need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate through the process with ease. Let's get started by heading over to the Replit homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you can either start a new project or open an existing one. Replit's intuitive interface makes this step quick and straightforward, so you can jump right into coding without any hassle. One of the fantastic features of Replit is its automatic saving function. As you type, Replit auto-saves your project in real time every few seconds. This means you don't need to worry about losing any progress if you forget to save manually. However, it's essential to be aware of how this system works, especially if you plan to back up, export, or share your project. Knowing where your work is saved and how to access it is key to using Replit effectively, particularly for collaborative or long-term projects. Now, while Replit's autosave feature is incredibly convenient, there might be instances when you want to manually save your work. To do this, simply right-click with your mouse and select Save As. This option is useful if you want to create a particular version of your project or if you need to ensure everything is saved before making significant changes. Another convenient way to save your project manually involves using the three-dot menu beside your project name available on the dashboard. Clicking on this menu will reveal a drop-down with further options, including a manual save function. This pathway offers an extra layer of security and peace of mind when working on crucial projects. Automating your saving process in Replit not only safeguards your hard work, but also optimizes your workflow. With these saving methods at your disposal, you'll have improved control over your project versions and can focus even more on development without the added stress of data loss. Whether you're tweaking a few codes or building an entire application, knowing how to efficiently save your work allows you to maximize the potent tools Replit offers. Remember, these tips are not just for safeguarding your projects, but also for instilling good coding practices. As you continue to work and grow in your coding journey, you'll find that managing your projects this way in Replit offers great reliability and flexibility. That's all for today's video on saving your project in Replit. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you'll feel confident saving and managing your projects in the future. Thanks for watching and happy coding!